Josiah. Thank you for watching the Brick Library. Just did a build for Lego set 60220, the just city garbage truck. This is a 4+ set, so as you can see in the build, there weren't a whole lot of pieces. I think there's 90 pieces altogether, and a lot of that is the garbage in the garbage can and the dumpster. So you got two minifigures. Got this lady, garbage truck driver, in her jumpsuit. She got a broom. And then we have the guy with his hat, matching uniform. And there's space or clips on the garbage truck for the broom and the shovel. And the garbage truck, like I said, it's 4+ set, so pretty simple, but it does dump. There's no stickers on it because it's a 4+ set, so the graphic pieces are all printed. The bucket is basically one piece with a couple things added on. And then you got the main body of the truck. This gray piece is just one piece. And then you got this dumpster piece, or dumpster build, just a handful of pieces. You want to dump it in, Caleb? You hook it onto the clip here, and then you dump the dumpster in. My son loves garbage trucks. It's a fun little 4+ build. And like I do with a lot of the videos, I'll put an affiliate link in the description. And thank you for watching. One more thing to talk about. I have this little garbage can. The dumpster just has some blocks in it, some like 2x2 blocks in different colors, and some 1x1 blocks in black. But the garbage can has the carrot and the banana and the fish and whatever you want these to be. So some fun little food pieces there. And again, thanks for watching. See ya.